Wow. Talk to me.
I have nothing to say. Well, always have something to say.
Hey guys, Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Vocal Lab
Collective.
Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing. I had a little cough.
I think I'm getting the black lung, Bob.
Yeah.
I had the Omicron last week.
So it was, the cough sounded like a laugh.
Well, it started,
So
I was trying to hold it together. But,
Okay, well,
you know.
it made for a very great intro.
Wow, it was dramatic, that's for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, but you know what? For good luck, you have to take a drink. We cheered, but we didn't take a
We
drink.
didn't sip.
That's bad luck in
That
like
is
40
really bad luck.
countries, I think.
And not eye contact. Do we
Oh
have
gosh,
eye contact?
I know. And then there's that whole thing where you do that. I don't do all
yeah.
that, but what are
Don't
we
stop.
reacting to today?
We are reacting to a brand new artist that we've never seen.
Well, I don't think he's brand new. It's
Well, he's
brand
not
new to
brand.
us.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
I think he's very established on the scene.
Yes.
But we've had lots of requests for Dimash.
Dimash. Again, please correct us if we are wrong.
Yeah, we may be wrong on the pronunciation, but we're going to say Dimash. So, new to us, never seen him. We're excited because we've
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
had lots of suggestions.
Lots of suggestions.
And clearly we pulled up, videos, which one to pick, which one to pick. And we could see like lots of viewerships
Yeah.
on the Dimash front. So
Yeah, so we're
very
excited.
successful artist. And yeah, let's jump in.
Let's jump in. Which one is this?
Dimash.
I know.
Oh, the name of the song?
Which song?
I don't remember. We'll put it up here. Yeah, read that.
Ooh, I love anything that starts with a violin.
Same.
So dramatic.
Oh, those eyes.
That bone structure.
Wish I had that. Oh, I know this song.
I don't, but I have chills.
Yeah, this is going to be good. I already know. This is a good song. You're not even prepared. Ooh, the suspense.
Ooh. I feel what she feels.
There you go.
What?
I don't even know what note that is. Is that a C? I think it's a C.
Holy cow.
Okay, pause. What just happened?
Holy cow. I did not expect that. Okay, now I can't wait. But, okay,
Yeah.
for one thing, he slipped into a falsetto. Loved that for a second.
But very...
then got very...
Well, clarify. That's just not straight falsetto.
No, no.
That is a very pure, heady tone.
Yeah. Yes, corrected.
Right? That there's so much presence and resonance there.
Right.
Which makes it sound so dramatic.
Yeah. But then he dipped right into that lower
I
register.
know.
It was it was a softer register, like it was softer in his chest voice.
Yes, the skill level there is insane.
Where's that note?
And
I'm
the
trying to find the note to catch
drama, the drama in that is
Yeah.
what makes it crazy. I've heard this song before from a Russian artist, and it's so I know what's coming, but
Stop. I don't
I'm ready
know a
for you to
thing.
experience this amazingness.
Look at those people watching.
I mean, they're all like flabbergasted.
The music to it too.
The music, his play.
His face.
I think this might be a Russian song. There's obviously Russian on here. His skin's perfect. Whoa. Yeah.
There's so much in his voice.
What? How?
Holy he hit that before, and
He
the
sure
mic get
did.
to it. I got makeup on you, I think.
He is milking this crowd. Yeah,
He's
attitude.
got rock in him too.
Sure he does. Look at that thing! People cannot believe this.
That's what some Americans hit in whistle tone.
What note is that? That's got to be
Can
like
I go to the
a...
piano and find it?
Yeah, is it a C flat maybe? C sharp. Is that to a D?
That is pure mix.
And just the cutoffs are insane. Did we just go to an E?
Holy cow.
That confidence.
Holy
Oh my gosh.
cow. Holy cow.
Oh wow. Talk to me. Talk to me.
I have nothing to say. Well, always have something to say. But his confidence that you touched on, like, wow. He's letting his voice be the show. He's not having to go all over the stage, but he's like, you can tell he's so grounded in him, and he's just doing these strikes, and his facial expression.
It's everything.
He's getting into his own voice. He's getting into the crowd. He's getting into the song, and he's just, I'm getting into him over here, and I just don't know what's going on.
Yeah, and think about it this way.
Wow.
If he just had the voice and not all those dramatic, as you called them, strikes or moves,
That would have been,
okay.
yeah.
It still would have been impressive and
very
wow.
impressive because of those notes.
But what he did with his body made his vocal performance go even next level.
He was matching the orchestra too with his whole the
the whole
dynamic
thing.
feel.
Yeah, I need to do a deep dive on this song. As I said, I heard a Russian artist do it several years ago. Actually, Brett, our mentor, played it for me. And I remember the first time I heard it, I was like, oh my gosh. So I kind of knew what was coming.
Yeah.
Just based on what the song does. But his ability to have that kind of control and dynamic and confidence and expressiveness at that range of a vocal for a guy. Psh.
I mean, I know girls who are struggling to do that. And I loved how he was already hitting it, and he let the mic come to the note.
That was cool.
That was
cool.
Can I say badass on YouTube?
Of course. It's
that
YouTube.
was.
You can also say bad butt.
No, that just doesn't sound
Bad
good.
tush.
That sounds pathetic.
Bad pooper.
Let's not have potty talk.
Stick with us.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that was a good one. That was a great one.
I would say fantastic.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yes.
Wow, and he's cute too.
Very much so. His skin, I mean, we got to get on these skin regimens.
We just need to go over there and see what's
We should go there. We should get a skin product endorsement. And we should do all the things.
all the things.
But
In the meantime,
we're going to move on to another video, shall we?
shall we?
Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Collective.
Sorry, I was trying to ding so
You
fast.
sure were. You're a dinger. She's a ding-dong dinger.